Hi there, I'm Sean and I just want to show you our help guide. Go to the question mark here, which is the help area, and here's the tutorial. Actually, in your apps there'll also be some videos here on how to shoot different scenes and different people and objects, etc. in different ways, but I've only got the tutorial here. Just hit the button, it loads straight into our into the help guide, and then you've got the ability here to change and see all the different sections to the help guide: Pictar at a glance, getting started, using Pictar, and changing settings, and FAQs. So if you ever get stuck, you want more information, delve into that section.